Well, hello guys, and welcome back to Mr. G Physics, the channel that can help you to improve your marks in physical science. This is Mr. G, and this time we're going to be working for the grade 8. We're going to be building molecules. Previously, we build atoms, but this time we're going to see what happens if we combine one atom of one element with an atom of another element with itself. So here we have certain amount of atoms of some element. For example, we have hydrogen here on the left side, we have oxygen, we have carbon. Those atoms combine to form elements as well as compounds. If those atoms are from the same element, for instance, let's take two hydrogen and make them together, they make a molecule of hydrogen. All right, this is a molecule of hydrogen. As you can see here, this is how hydrogens look like, and there are bonds. There's something that keeps those atoms together that is called chemical bonding that we are going to learn later on. So in this case, this is a molecule of hydrogen. Because they are atoms of the same element, they are called diatomic molecules. The same happens if we have two oxygen atoms. We get two oxygen and we combine the two oxygens together, they form a molecule of oxygen, as you can see there. And this is also oxygen. This is another thing that oxygen gets. If you can look here, you can see the forces that keep those two atoms together. They call chemical bonding. Those are, in this case, you have two lines, and this is how oxygen molecule look like. There is more diatomic molecule. Let's use another example, for example, and make the molecule of chlorine. Okay, this is how chlorine's molecule look. This one is a diatomic molecule. Why diatomic? Because they are a molecule made of atoms of the same kind. So this is how the molecule look in a 3D view. And then if we represent the forces that join those two atoms of chlorine, will look like this, guys. So that is quite important, and that is in terms of diatomic molecule. But sometimes you can combine atoms of different molecules. For instance, if you combine one oxygen with two hydrogen, this one is not a diatomic molecule anymore. This one is water, and this is how it look, how waters look like. We can look at here. This is the molecule of water using the forces that keep them together, and this one is the water molecule, how it looks. If you see, it's like a head of Mickey Mouse. Okay, so that is water there. But there is more molecules we can form. Okay, for example, we can form another molecule. Let's get one carbon and two carbons. Let's make one carbon and four hydrogen. This is another molecule, guys. This is gas. This is going to be something called methane. There is a combination of one carbon and four hydrogen. And methane will look like this. And if you represent the forces that keep those atoms together, will look like this one here. Okay? There is more possibilities of making atoms. There's chlorine, there's fluorine, the silicon, boron. These are all represent atoms here. Okay, so if we represent, for instance, a nitrogen, we have two nitrogen. This one is nitrogen gas. It's a diatomic molecule. Will look like this. You can see there are three forces that keep that molecule together in this specific way. And guys, this is all for now. You know now how to draw molecules. Actually, you can represent these molecules with a circles in your book, and this is some examples. Thank you for watching. I hope it helped. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Mr. G here.